just like a new day, a breath of fresh air in my life. I don't know how, don't know why, but
Put it in. Put it in. Shoot it. There you go. Ready? Shoot it. Put it in. Well, what is up, beautiful people? It is a stunning, gorgeous day in Tennessee today. I'm over here at the property with the boys. We just got them off the bus. Amanda's actually with Penelope at the dentist. Guys, it is a really big year for Penelope with her teeth this year. A lot of great stuff are going to be happening. We'll tell you more about that. But I wanted to take a minute and just thank Future for sponsoring this video. I have been on a health, fitness, weight loss journey for as long as I can remember. I've had a lot of good results over the last couple of years, but going into 2023, this is a big year for me because I turned 40 this year, and so I've got this hashtag fit by 40 that I'm really going for. The kids are in on it, Amanda's in on it, we're all trying to do this together as a family, so I turned to Future to try to help me with a great program to help me reach my goals. And so they connect me. They have a whole plethora of trainers from all walks, from people who work with professional athletes all the way to you name it. And I chose a guy named Heinrich, which is the greatest name I've ever heard. He's just this burly Viking looking dude with a beard, and I just saw him, and with a name like Heinrich, how could I not think, man, that guy's gonna help me get it done? And he has. We did a video call, we started talking on the phone. He just heard me out on what my schedule is like, what my lifestyle is like, what my goals are, and he has personalized a workout program for me, which takes into account the fact that, like, I travel a ton for my job right now, and so I'll be in a hotel gym on Monday, and all they'll have is barbells. Or on Tuesday, which is today, I will be at home, and the whole family wants to go work out, so we go to the apartment gym, and they've got a lot of different stuff. So he knows what all these places are. He knows that on the weekend I may be at an Airbnb, and all I have is my body weight, and so he puts a specialized, personalized workout plan. It's not a one-size-fits-all. He's personalizing it to me, which has been rad. And also it connects with my watch, and so he gets a report that tells him exactly how high my heart rate got, how long I went, did I skip workouts, and there is a built-in accountability there that's really helpful for me. I'm sure it'll be helpful for you guys too. This is a big year for us to get into shape, and I want to invite you guys in on it. This is our fitness challenge, the Fit by 40 challenge for me, whatever, you know, fit by whatever your thing is, but I would love to invite you guys in on this health journey with us in 2023. You can sign up for Future as well. Just click the link in our description box down below for your first month, which is a great deal. We love it, Amanda loves it, the kids love it, I love it, and we're pretty sure you're gonna love it too.
You wanna play
Pig?
pig?
I don't know, you're way better at basketball than I am. I'm a musician, okay? I don't do the sports. Jude's done with soccer practice, so we're gonna cut this game of pig that I am so terrible at short, and we're gonna head out. I promise that's not an excuse. I know you guys are just waiting to see more bad Steven playing basketball. What is up, my dude? How was soccer?
It was interesting, I guess.
Did you rock and roll it?
Yeah, I kind of.
Yeah. Linky's like, how was it? Alright, let's head home.
Okay guys, so we are over at the dentist, and it is Penelope's final dental appointment. We've got the girls with us, and we've got a couple of errands to run, but she is getting her crowns on her teeth so that she can start her braces, which is a long process, but we're really excited because this has taken a while to get to this point. We've had a lot of appointments lately, and so I think you're ready, aren't you?
I am so ready for this.
Yeah, it's gonna be great. It's gonna be great. So we're gonna go in and get these final crowns put on, and probably next week she'll be starting her braces. But then we've got some fun stuff going on tonight too. So we're just having a girls' afternoon. All right, we did it. About an hour and a half later. We're gonna get some good soup this evening or something to, I think our mouth is completely numb. Are you numb?
Yeah, pretty much.
Pretty much.
We have a pantry thief here.
You sneaky
You're
boy.
silly. He's in a good mood today.
Squishy, squishy.
My lady is home, guys.
Yay.
My ladies are home, I guess.
It's always so exhausting. Like, we love
Yeah.
Penelope's dentist. She's amazing. And her orthodontist and all that. But I always feel like these days, the medical days are exhausting. I'm so tired by the time you get home. But not too
Sometimes
exhausted.
very hungry.
He's ready for dinner. Whoa! I did just order some soup
Yeah.
from Penelope's favorite Thai restaurant, so that's gonna be coming in probably about an hour, so it'll be here.
Stole the bag of cheese.
Yeah, he's just gonna get into the cheese. While we wait for dinner, I think the older kids and Steven and I are gonna go to the gym.
Yeah.
Usually most evenings, the teens are over there working out.
What are you doing? He's sucking on my elbow. That was weird.
That was the weirdest thing I've ever seen him do. Oh, Linky. But we're gonna get a good workout in. This is our goal. We're trying to be healthy and fit, and he needs something.
He needs a bowl for his cheese.
Oh, your bowl for your cheese. There you go.
Yeah, there's a bowl. There you go. You gonna put cheese in that?
We gotta have the pre-dinner snack, right?
You got a bowl of cheese? Wow.
Good stuff, huh?
Wow, his tooth is coming in. Have you seen it?
It's one
It's like his little snaggle tooth.
Yeah, it's cute.
What a goober.
Okay. Very large broth. That's my top soup there. And then this has noodles. Look at that, all the toppings. Yeah. You gonna try the soup? Oh yeah.
Mom.
Yeah. Are you so comfy? He is, huh?
There you go.
They have multiple baseball fields, softball, baseball,
Yum.
tennis,
Somebody's thirsty.
Yeah, he is.
outdoors, and this is not even this is while they were
He's so cute. All right, so all the children have been fed dinner. We've cleaned up a little bit, and we need to tackle this project of the Christmas stuff.
This is
Not
the
only the
saddest
Christmas tree,
day
we
of
have
the year.
all around the house. We have all sorts of Christmas stuff on the counters, in the bathroom, and we need to tackle this. I was saying I didn't think we've ever kept the tree up this late. It's September. It's September. It's September.
It's
I'm
September.
so tired at this point. This has been such a long day. It is January 8th or 9th? 10th? It's the 10th. I don't even know what day it is. It's crazy.
What year is it?
But it's later than I think we've ever taken the tree down.
I don't think so. I think we've gone like.
Maybe when the kids
Quite
were
a
like
bit
way
later.
younger. It's been years though.
What I will say though is that I like cleanliness and no clutter as well. So it
Yeah,
is
but we have
often
7
a very
kids.
good like feeling whenever the tree is gone, and you can kind of put everything back
Yeah,
to where it
that's true.
goes and have that extra space again
That's
and all
true.
that.
Yeah.
I'll be happy for that.
But I mean, the amount of times that our house has actually been like perfectly organized and clean. When you get it that way, it doesn't stay that way very long because we have 7 kids and
It's
there are
like
people that live
within
here.
minutes. It's done.
I do feel like one of the biggest challenges of my life is like finding the balance between keeping things in order and clean and making sure the kids are like doing their chores and being responsible and all of that, and also like just kind of letting go and being in the moment and like prioritizing time with your family and not making it all about the house, because when your kids grow up, like at the end of the day, you're not going to care that your house was clean. It's going to be about the memories that you made with your kids. It's going to be about how you invested in their lives and all of that. And so, but at the same time, you don't want to live in like
preaching, guys.
But you don't want to like live in a mess
to the heart
either.
here.
But you also don't want to like just completely throw caution to the wind and then like the place is trash.
Yeah.
If we didn't stay on top of it, it would get very bad very quickly. In a family this size, it just is. And so you do have to stay kind of organized. But all that to say, I am kind of getting into like the spring cleaning mood. Now it's time to corral all the children. Children, and we're going to take down all of these Christmas decorations. Are you guys ready to help us out?
Yeah, sure.
Linky, are you gonna help? You're gonna help us? Okay.
He's like, get out of my way.
Okay,
I'll
let's
get this tree
let's
down.
do this. Okay. Our little patio is so small that we have to move the furniture into the grass. We've actually been sitting out here every day though, because it's been really beautiful weather, and so and the cats have been venturing out here too, and they kind of get some sunshine, and they like love to play in that little corner there, and so we've actually been out here quite a bit lately. We don't use that. I know you're not allowed to use that as apartments. I just feel like people are.
And we will.
No, you can't. You can't do fires. You can't do fires. Okay, he's joking. But I'm like, that was just from the other house and we haven't. Anyways, Christmas boxes. Are we gonna be organized in how we like put this away this year? Like you know, like the lights and stuff. You never want them to be tangled, and then each year we're like, oh, we'll deal with it next year, and then you pull it out and you're like, dang
last
it.
year I just threw all the lights away.
That's true. We had a lot of
I
broken
couldn't get
ones.
them on. So
Yeah.
this year we did not buy new ones. We just had one unopened box of lights that we made work.
Yeah, that's true. We keep saying like, once we get into the house next year.
I think this tree will go into our bedroom,
Oh yeah, that would be nice. And do like a
And-
big one in the.
and then we'll get a big one for that
Oh,
foliage.
I love this. I can't wait to decorate that house. I'm so excited. Are you wearing?
She's
Because
back
of
up her
allergies.
hands.
Oh, the allergies.
They do get
That's
really bad.
true.
Like whenever I put the tree up, I was sneezing for
Yeah,
days.
we were. That's actually pretty smart, Penny. She's got her gloves on. Hi. You giving hugs? You're so sweet. So the first thing we're gonna do is take all the ornaments off, put them in the box, and then we'll go around the house and get other random little decorative things, and we'll try to see if it'll all fit into this one box. And then we have a couple of other boxes here. That's not a Santa hat.
You're silly.
It looks like one though. Smart boy.
I'll say this. The old Dyson's gonna get a good workout tonight.
Yeah, those little fake needle things, they go everywhere.
What is he doing?
He says, I'll help you, Dad. Did you just close the door on Daddy?
Wow. Run, Lincoln, run!
Why'd you close the door on him?
That is absolutely
Thank you. Thank you for letting me out.
He closed it on me. That's so funny.
awful.
You closed it on Daddy. He was still in there.
Wow, it's so much more spacious in here now.
We can move this chair into the corner now. Everything looks so empty now. We don't have anything on the walls at all.
Feels nice and spacious. Well, I'm not gonna put stuff up on the wall just to move in a couple of months.
Yeah, I mean, this was literally a 5-month lease.
Yeah.
And we've already been in here for almost 2 months.
This
so.
will be our. When we finally move into the house, we'll have moved 4 times in just a little over a year.
Yeah, that's
So I'm
been kind of
over.
crazy. We're tired people.
Tired of moving. I'm ready. You know.
Get into this other house and like never move again. I mean, you can never say never, but we have no plans of moving for a long time.
So done with the moving stuff.
Yeah.
Oh gosh! That was good. That was good.
Like, I'm not tired. I got lots of energy. My turn. We are very tired people.
I like this.
I think we should put the kids to bed and then we should go to bed.
I like that.
I've actually been going to sleep early as part of the healthy lifestyle that we are trying to achieve here. We have been eating really clean. We've been going to bed early, which is a big one for us because normally we go to sleep after midnight, which is, I know, terrible for you. But we you got me. But we have actually been going to sleep at like 10:30, which I know is probably still late for some people, but that's really early for us. So
a sacrifice I'm willing to make.
yeah, so we are gonna get these kids in bed. We're gonna get in bed and keep going with all these healthy choices that we are making, and hopefully it will pay off.
Hope so.
Got some big goals and things. So we love you guys so much. We're gonna go ahead and close it out, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye. Bye.
Hands up, okay. Listen, bro. Put the gun down.
For your name's sake, you will lead me back